Welcome to Special Meals.
Today, we will be making delicious sesame candy. The ingredients are 1 cup sesame, 3/4 cups of jaggery, and a 1/4 cup of water. Clean the sesame thoroughly before using it. Roast the 1 cup sesame in a heavy-bottomed pan. Roast it in a mild temperature. We should roast it until the sesame pops. Sesame contains loads of calcium, which strengthens your bones. It is also tasty. We could often make this at home and give it to our children instead of buying it from shops. We should roast it without burning, so roast it pretty carefully. See how it pops well. Now it is well roasted. Let's shift this to another container. Let's add 3/4 cups of jaggery together with a 1/4 cup of water and let it dissolve. Now it has dissolved. Let's filter it now in order to remove the impurities. After filtering, let's have the syrup in the same pan we used to dissolve the jaggery in. The syrup's consistency is very important. We can only shape the sesame candy if the consistency is correct. When you have a bowl of water and add a drop of the syrup, you should be able to roll the syrup. That is the right consistency for our sesame candy. When the syrup is well boiling and filled with bubbles, you should check the consistency often because the consistency levels changes in a very fast time period. Let's check it now. As you can see, this is not the right consistency. If the syrup overboils, the sesame candy will be bitter. So let's check this after a minute if we have the right level of consistency or not. I think we have the right consistency now. As you can see, that after soaking the drop of syrup in water, we're able to roll it. Let's turn off the stove. Now we will be adding the roasted sesame little by little. While you're adding the roasted sesame, mix it well together with the syrup. After mixing it, let's set it aside for 2 minutes so we could roll it. Don't set it aside for more than 2 minutes or else it will be very hard to roll. Lightly apply sesame oil to hands and begin to roll into small balls. We are rolling it into small balls so it will be easier for us to bite the candy after it hardens. We can store this up to 1 month and eat. Tasty sesame candies are ready to eat. Try making this recipe and comment on how it was. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. Special Meals. Click on the bell button to be updated with the latest videos.